This is my honest review of the Siemens EQ 500 coffee maker. We see it here in black with a nice big water tank. We have here space for the coffee beans, and here the menu settings. You have different choices like espresso, cafe crema in different sizes, cappuccino, with here the milk foam maker. Then here we have latte macchiato option, and just to make milk foam as well, you can go back, for example, to espresso and can set how strong you want it, from mild to very strong. You can set the size here in the espresso, for example, 30, 35, 40 and 50 milliliters. I'm quite happy with this coffee machine. Just one thing that is not so nice is that the inside can be quite a mess. You should regularly clean it. But overall, the coffee machine is a good pick for me. And let's try it out and make espresso. Small size. Here you have the start and stop button. And the espresso is ready.